What's up, guys? This is Mitchel from the Puddle Jumpers. Figured I'd do a quick video for the new truck. It's the 08 Tundra Crew Max. Got the I-Force 5.7, some bone collector on the door, 18-inch rugged terrain TAs, so BFGs. Like I said, it's the Crew Max Limited. It's got the factory, let me do the interior first. It's got the factory JBL system in it, navigation, everything. It's got a little 8-inch sub behind the back seat, and it's got woofers in the doors. It's got speakers up there, and it's got tweeters built into the doors. It's pretty sick. Leather. It's a Crew Max. It's a freaking monster. It's like a minivan with a bed. TRD. It's 4-wheel drive. With my big bone collector. It's got true little straights on it right now. Left the cats in it. Didn't take those out just so it wouldn't be too obnoxious, but it's still pretty obnoxious. For Christmas, I'm probably gonna use some money I get from Christmas to do a 4.5-inch and 35s, and I'm putting some Oracle SMDs there, and then I'm putting some in the fogs too. I think the total of the kits overall is like $300, but I'll let you hear the straights real quick. This is without a doubt one of the baddest sounding trucks I've ever heard. I'll get on a little bit, let y'all hear it. Find something with the phone again. Same thing that happened in the last video. Right, well, in the last video I did. As you can tell, they make a little bit of noise. But, yep, that's it. It's my new truck. I'm so excited to get it lifted and everything. It's going to be badass. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. This has been Mitchell from the Puddle Jumpers. Please do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Andrew's Foreman is sitting on 30s now. It's on 30-inch mud lights. And it is huge. And yeah, it actually turns. I'm about to either put the Can-Am on 31s or buy a 08 Grizzly 700 project bike that's already sitting on 31s for $2,700. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Later.